This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 24F is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Crevels RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, smoke detector, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, LP detector, refrigerator, water heater, leveling jacks, skylight, self-contained, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C RV features bunk over cab, full wall slide. This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 24F is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Crevels RV.